How to use TikTok app without an account. So in order to use TikTok without an account, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and also make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. Now, TikTok generally requires users to create an account and log in to access the full feature of the app. However, you can still browse and view TikTok videos without creating an account or logging in. Here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to install or download the application. For that, you need to head over to your Play Store. After that, on the search box, type in TikTok. As you can see that this is the particular app that you're looking for. In my case, I've already installed the application. If you've not installed, then click on the install button, and after installing, open up. Now in my case, I already have a TikTok account. Along with that, I also have already installed the application. Now I'll be showing you how you can actually use without an account or without signing up. So I'll log out of my current account. In order to log out, go to the three dot icon and then scroll down a bit and click on the logout button. Here you go, that I've been logged out. So as you can see that without creating an account, you can watch TikTok. As soon as you open up your TikTok application, it may just ask you to enable some of the features such as access your contact and all that. If you enable it, as well as after that, you'll be able to explore or see the videos. And also look for the options like not now, skip or browse if you don't want to create an account. Once you've skipped the sign up or login process, you can freely explore TikTok. You can search for the videos, watch trending content, follow links to TikTok videos from external sources like social media or messaging app. And additionally, some content or features on TikTok may be restricted to logged in users, and create features like creating your own videos and interacting with other users may require an account. Now, keeping this in mind that TikTok continues to evolve and update and adapt its user experiences, so it's a good idea to check the latest version as well. So in this way, you can use TikTok without an account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.